guys. So today we got a Popin cooking again.
Yeah, so we got another Popin cooking. And as you guys know, we love these, right?
Yeah.
These are candy. You can make your own candy. And
They're
these
like
are
gummies.
Yeah, they are gummies. And these are the sushi kits. So we're going to make one right now. And we're going to see how it turns out.
I really want to try the Jello.
Yeah, and fun fact, we didn't buy it. We didn't recently buy it. We bought it like 3 months ago, but
Yeah.
we just forgot to open it. So we're going to open it right now because
we didn't really buy it recently.
we literally forgot. So we're gonna open from here since it says open. Okay. Okay, so
Ooh.
we have the kit.
Ugh.
So, here's what it looks like.
Do you need scissors?
Very nice. You can also use this as like,
Oh yeah.
a plate.
I'm gonna get scissors just in case.
Yeah, because it will look very nice as a plate. So yeah, so here's what it looks like. It also has chopsticks. And it has all this cool stuff. So Carolyn's going to get the scissors. Oh, don't pull the scissors. Yeah, be careful. Yes, be careful.
Okay.
We're gonna cut it like this. We're gonna cut it like carefully. Are you excited? I'm most
I'm
excited
so
to see this, Mommy.
Okay, guys, let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. Want to check it out?
Ooh.
Ooh, so we have this green pack.
Oh,
It's a
even-
dough powder.
Oh my god.
The soup powder.
They also gave us the a toothpick.
Yeah, they gave us a toothpick. So cute. A noodle powder.
A Jello.
One of those squeezy bags. The ingredients. And the mango pudding powder.
And a fork.
So this one.
A mini fork.
Yes, a mini fork. Very cute. So yeah, let's go get started.
Okay,
So here we have the plate.
So first, make mango pudding. Add water to the cup until it's half full. Add powder from the orange packet. So from the orange packet.
This is this is the orange packet, right?
Mix. It will become firm in 10 minutes.
Okay, so we have to add water and yeah.
Fill it halfway.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to read the rest of the directions.
Okay, so I have the water bottle, not the tap water, because who the heck drinks that?
Okay, just fill it halfway.
Oh, is that good?
Yeah, that's halfway.
Okay, so we filled it halfway.
Now let's
I think it's a little bit more than halfway, but okay. So Caroline is going to cut the packet open. And okay, so we have the orange
careful.
powder.
I don't think I actually really cut it too much because I saw just a baby gap. Oh yeah, I made a big gap.
It's like floating on top of the water.
Yeah, like it doesn't sink.
Yeah.
And
Oh
then,
my God.
and then can I mix it?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Plus today is our mom's birthday.
Yes, it's Mother's birthday. Okay, so after that, mix for 10 minutes. That's a long time. What did you do? Caroline, why?
I don't know.
What did you do?
I didn't know, I just touched it.
No, you didn't. You spilled it. Please apologize.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm mixing it. Where's the toothpick? Okay. It's supposed to become... Oh, it's like a liquid. I think we need more of the powder. Okay, better. Okay. Next time I'm mixing it, okay?
Okay.
It's not funny, Caroline. Please stop. It's not funny. Oh my gosh. So much. Okay. So now I think that after you do that, you just let it sit. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to let it sit, okay?
For 10 minutes.
Yes. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna let it sit. Also we have to put it kind of to the bottom because or else it won't be. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to make ramen toppings. So
So,
it says
pour water up the line in the tray.
in the star tray. So we're going to cut it. I'm going to cut it because Caroline is.
Wait, I'm gonna see which powder we're gonna use, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we need the blue powder.
Okay. So we have the star tray, and it says, what does it say?
So pour water up to the line in the blue tray. So
Okay, so where's the line?
oh, it's here.
Oh, okay.
So
So
we
don't pour
have
it.
to just
You can pour
pour
it.
a little bit.
Yes. Oh, a little more. Okay, is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so now that we have it, it says to okay, so add powder from the blue packet. So we're going to okay.
A little plate.
Yeah. Okay. I'll pour half and you can pour half, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna
So-
clean the spoon.
I think we're supposed to pour the whole thing.
Are we? Yeah, I think we are supposed to. Yeah, we are supposed to pour the whole thing.
Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Never ending. I think that's fine.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, so Karen's gonna mix it now.
Is this too much powder?
Tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto egg molds. Okay, so I think these are the Naruto egg molds.
Naruto.
Okay. So I guess we cut it.
There's like, this is like a big fluffy cloud.
Yeah.
See?
Wow.
Do we need more water?
I don't know. Let me try. Can I try? Oh, let's see. I remember making this like the panda one.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Wait, I'm gonna try.
Okay, our mom just showed us pizza and chicken nuggets, dino nuggets especially. They're so good, right? Okay, so I want to make the Naruto egg now.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take a little bit.
Can I eat it?
No. Fine, you could eat a little bit.
It's really good.
Tear off 2 pieces of the dough. Fill the Naruto egg. Okay, so I think this is the mold.
And then we have another mold.
Yeah, you wanna do the other one?
Yeah.
Ooh, guys, look.
Is this too much?
Yeah, I think that's too much. I think we only have to do a little bit. Oh my god, such a fail.
I want to try everything.
I think we have to mix
The
it.
jello's good. The jello's good.
Give me a second, let me mix them a little more. Okay. I think it's better now. A little bit.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my god.
Oh, next we're gonna be making the we're gonna be making the dumplings next.
Okay, there we go.
See? Oh, it's so cute. Why did they add no color to this? Did they add... Okay, so there's... What?
Okay, I hope this works. Whoa, okay, so we have 1 egg.
Eggy wig.
So we're gonna put it on here.
We're just gonna put it,
And then
put
the egg that you made was so good.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't wait to make the spring rolls.
Oh wait, yeah, they're cool.
Is 10 minutes done yet?
I don't know, but
Oh, so we're gonna remove this after we're done making all of this.
yeah. Okay, so we have 2 eggs. So after
Eggy
that,
whites?
divide the remaining dough in a quarter. Oh. So
Do we need the dough?
yeah, we still need the dough. Sorry, I'm so
And
sorry.
we're gonna have to put it in a quarter.
Okay, so we're gonna take the remaining dough, which is literally this.
I think that's why there's lots of powder.
Yeah. To make like a dumpling or something.
So we
Look at this
I need
dough.
half.
Okay, so you can have half. There you go.
Thank you.
Place the dough on the gyoza mold to press to make the hollow space. Okay. I think this is what you do. Yes. Okay.
Do I have to press it? I'm done.
Oh, you have to press it on this mold.
Oh.
Okay, so I have the dumpling.
I need my dumpling.
Okay, so to make, wait, okay guys, wait. So to make like the thing, you need this.
My dumpling. Wait, can you help me make my dumpling? My dumpling's sticking to me.
You need this. Wait, give me a second. Caroline, wait. Caroline.
What?
I did it wrong. I have to.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Ooh. That's cool. These are like sprinkles.
You have to fill the dumplings up. They're like the meat and the they're good. Can I try? Yeah, sure. Good? Oh. Okay.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
I don't really like it.
I guess it's going to be good if you like eat it with the powder or something.
I'm definitely not making my dumpling with that.
Okay, so now you go and fold it. And there you have your dumpling.
Can I have my dumpling, please?
Sure.
I'm gonna eat the rest of the dough.
These?
Yeah, I want the rest of the dough.
Here, I'll split it in half.
Thank you. Delicious dough. Okay, help me make my dumpling now. Good.
Okay.
I'm gonna go AFK, okay, guys?
Alright, so we have 2 dumplings. Okay. So, make ramen. Okay, so we're back. So we made
Part
the
2.
and next we're going to make
Ramen.
Ramen. So pour water up on the line to the tray. So we're going to get this one and pour some water.
What pack do you need? I have 2 packs.
Okay. So after that,
Oh, we need the yellow one. We need the yellow powder.
okay. After that, add the brown powder.
Oh,
Add powder from the brown packet.
I was wrong.
Okay. So I'm going to do
Still
this
need to
step.
clean the spoon. Ugh.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure
Oh,
the
wow.
jello's ready. Is the jello ready?
Let's see.
I think the
No,
jello's
it's
ready.
not.
Aw.
Ooh, guys, look.
Whoa.
So this is going to be the soup. Mix. Okay. So after you've done that, go ahead and mix.
Okay.
So Karen's gonna mix it. No, just mix it. Oh wow.
Mixy, mixy.
Okay. Here we go.
It looks like real soup.
Yeah, it actually does. Okay, so after that, pierce the corner of the squeezing bag with the pick from inside outside. So we have to do that. We have to pierce it from the inside out because for reasons. Okay. So now we have like a little dot. You might not see it. So after that, now we want to make the yellow thing. So you have to add water to the line.
Of course.
Okay. Now, there we go. Oh, and then we add it in. Whoa. So much powder.
Why does that look like real soup? I just want to drink it. It looks hot. Why does it look hot?
Yeah, it looks like it's boiling.
Yeah.
The picture on the thumbnail will show you guys what we made.
Yeah.
It will show you guys the end result because,
Yeah.
for various reasons.
Exactly.
Okay, so can I mix it now?
Okay. You mix up and then I mix up.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, what the heck?
It's like baking a cake.
Yeah.
Like you're making the batter. Cake batter.
Okay, so after that, we're going to go ahead. Sorry. Okay,
I didn't
you could lick it.
mix.
Since you didn't mix. Mmm. Tastes like mango. Okay,
It's good.
so now we're going to scoop. And then,
Ooh, I love the squeezing part.
yeah, so you could squeeze it, okay?
Okay.
I'll show you how to squeeze it and then you could.
What's the toothpick for?
It's for poking the bag,
Oh.
I think.
This is what our dad always does with the toothpick.
Yes, Old Town Road.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's gross.
Okay. So, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to squeeze it, okay?
Here's the toothpick.
So after that, go ahead and then squeeze it.
Sorry. Squeezy squeeze. Can I try?
Wait.
Oh, wait. No.
No. It's okay.
At least we have soup.
Yeah.
Oh, did we even make a hole?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure we didn't even make a hole yet.
Oh no.
Do you
Do you have any, like, can you give me the...
Sure.
Wait, did I even make a hole?
We didn't even make a hole. That's what I said. That's why, yeah. So, can I make a hole, please?
No, Carolyn, we have to poke it with a toothpick.
Oh.
I think it's this one.
Oh my
Oh,
God,
yeah, there it
we're
is.
so dumb.
See? So you have to go and squeeze it.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, guys. Look at the ramen.
Okay, good. All cleaned up.
You can see the noodles pouring.
Oh, wow. Nice job. Can I try?
Oh, it's coming
It's okay.
It's really good.
Yeah, you could eat that part if you want.
I really want to try the noodle version though. Jessica, can I take the jello out? The jello looks good.
Okay, yeah, sure, you could take it out.
Bro, jello, get out. The jello's not coming out. Okay, yeah, I'm not putting the jello out. I'm just gonna leave it there until it comes out. Ooh, ramen.
There we go. Okay. So that's our end result. So now let's go and put it on.
And by the way, the jello's just not gonna come out.
And
Yeah. We need the
where's
jello.
the jello? Oh.
Oh my, bro.
Gosh,
Slime?
that's just a big glop.
Slime. You made slime out of food. Okay.
But yeah,
Eating time.
now we'll eat. Okay, guys. So we're eating our food that we made, and yeah, here's the noodles.
Get the jello.
They're really good. Here's the egg.
Can I try?
Yeah.
I have a real fork. The noodles.
Delicious. And here's the soup. ramen. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!